Hey everyone, I'm here with a 2016 Volkswagen Passat SE, and this car actually is a new car to my family stable. As you remember, my mom's old car was a 2008 Volkswagen Passat with the 3.6 liter VR6 4Motion engine. Again, this is a 2016 Volkswagen Passat with the SE package, so it's the SE trim level. It has a forward collision warning with adaptive cruise control. It's been in the family stable now for about a year. It's got 37,050 miles. It's quite a nice car. We put Blizzak WS80 snow tires on this, and they actually grip the road extremely well for winter tires, and they look really beefy on these 17-inch rims. They're I believe they're 225 55 R17 tires. And this is a very long car. This is the NMS North American new midsize sedan platform, so it's definitely a larger version of the European Passat that a lot of other countries get. Basically the North American market, so US, Canada, and Mexico get this Passat, and the China and APAC area get this NMS platform as well, so in China and in Chattanooga, Tennessee. This car sits up kind of high for a sedan, I've noticed, but that's not bad. I think it actually rides extremely well. It gives the suspension more travel, isolates you from the road a little bit more because you're a tiny bit higher up, so a little less road noise, and it gives you a really commanding view of the road for a sedan. Another thing about this 2016 Passat SE is that this has got the, I think it's the corn silk beige interior, so it's got more of this really light tan look to it. We have some like VW Go mats. They're kind of these just heavy duty floor mats for winter weather, and you just have an expansive amount of room in this car. The one thing I have noticed too versus other mid-size sedans is that this is more of a full-size sedan in terms of size, length, width, height, you name it. This is very close to like a full-size car, like a Nissan Maxima or a Chrysler 300, but it actually has pretty much the same or better interior space than those full-size cars, even though this is classified as a mid-size. And it has a very nice solid sounding door. These doors, as with any VW car, it just sounds super solid and just really robust. They sound really nice. So overall, it's just a very handsome, elegant, classy, timeless design that I really like. This car doesn't have the LED brake lights, it doesn't have the LED headlights, it's just got normal halogen and incandescent bulbs all around. But this car, we got a great deal on it. It only had 26,000 miles exactly a year ago from yesterday, so December 26th, 2018. This car had 26,000 miles, and it was like under $15,000, so it was an amazing deal for a car that was only 2.5 years old at the time. So we just really couldn't pass that up. The 2008 Passat VR6 4Motion that my parents had before was unfortunately involved in a car accident that resulted in the car being totaled. It had 165,000 miles, and as you guys know, not much went wrong with that car. I don't think there was very expensive repairs done on it. A lot of tires we went through because it seemed to eat through tires very quickly, and it was pretty expensive in that regard. I mean, we went through like $800, $900 per time we had to replace the tires, because we had to do all four because it was all-wheel drive. And we went through like 3 different types of tires, and had alignments done multiple times, but for some reason we could only get about 15,000 miles before the tires started cupping on that car. This car has had none of those issues. It seems like VW kind of figured out the alignment on this platform a little bit better, and it just works out a little bit better. And we have snow tires, and then we have normal all seasons for the summer and spring and fall months. But winter, these Blizzaks do an amazing job in the snow. This car has enough ground clearance to get over a lot of other snow. Like, it just sits up higher than most sedans. You can see how just there's a large gap between the wheel and the fender, so you definitely get a little bit more ground clearance in that regard. overall, I mean, this car has been very reliable. We've had a few Apple CarPlay connection issues with the infotainment, but literally nothing else has gone wrong with it. There is a slight suspension creak from the back. I don't know if it's a worn bushing or if it's just not installed perfectly, but we'll probably have that checked out at a VW dealer shortly. But overall, it's been a great car. Gets fantastic gas mileage. It gets about 37 miles per gallon on the highway, doing 75 miles an hour, which is amazing. Has a 1.8 liter TSI turbo engine with a 6-speed automatic, which is a pretty reliable combination from VW. They've been making that 6-speed Eisen transmission for years, you know, ever since like 2004, 2005. And that 1.8 liter turbo has been in production for a long time. I think it's part of that 1.8 and 2.0 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with direct injection VW family engines for years, if not more, if not a decade. So it's been very reliable. Gets great mileage. Does 0 to 60 in somewhere between 7.5 and 8 seconds. I'll post a video with 0 to 60 times. I'm going to run it a few times and average the 0 to 60, but should be 7.5 to 8 seconds is my best guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review today of the 2016 Volkswagen Passat SE. This is a new vehicle to the family stable with my parents. So I'll be doing some videos on this over the years to come with updates on how it's doing and how reliable it's been and what the gas mileage continues to be. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this quick walk around. Let me know if you have any questions or comments and put them in the section below. Have a great one, guys. Talk to you later.